Me your husband and you come, you mean to tell me say you come over here, can mango come give pastor. And mango, pastor tell us say in short a mango. Look for the mango them.
I'm doing Bible studies.
Church keep on Sunday.
Me? You sure?
What you want to say? You grudge pastor?
I just heard about it when I'm telling you about it.
What are you doing outside?
Playing.
So hold on there. Deacon is having an affair in my church?
Yes.
Ask daddy.
I'm sure bringing that bag is no burden to you.
So me understand.
Donovan, I will see you at home.
So you mean to tell me say me can't get none?
Because when it was sweet, you know, me never in a hit and no peer problem with it, you know. Look here, me talk to you already and me talk to you again.
Chapter 11 here says, but King Solomon loved many strange women.
Well, as I said before, I'm here to do housekeeping work with your fatherland. Work for me to do because I'm the person that mostly do the cooking and the cleaning at church.
I don't condone cheating. So,
No.
I don't know.
Black men don't cheat, daddy. What are you talking about?
When I plant a seed, I like to see it grow and blossom.
I have a pipe that I want you to fix.
Hush down there.
What do you mean hush down? Hush down. Miss Clark, you know about this.
What do you mean?
You're pregnant?
Yes, I am.
But who, me or your husband?
Mrs. Clark, you sure about this?
Sure than sure, Donovan.
Daddy, what?
In Lane Pipe, from Wartime Garden, meet me upstairs.